Welcome to Books for Success. Today's video is about the fantastic book 10% Happier by Dan Harris. Hey! So I just finished this book called 10% Happier by Dan Harris, and man, it's a roller coaster. Want the lowdown? Buckle up! Who's Dan Harris? First off, Dan Harris isn't some guru or monk. He's a TV journalist for ABC News. You might think he's got it all together, but here's the kicker. He had a panic attack live on Good Morning America. Yikes. This guy was skeptical about self-help and spirituality, but this on-air meltdown made him reconsider things. The chase for happiness. Like a lot of us, Dan was chasing the typical success story. Climb the ladder, get recognition, and be at the top of his game. But that same ambition drove him to some dark places, including drug use. He was stressed, anxious, and skeptical about anything spiritual. Sounds like a lot of folks out there, right? The voice in the head. Dan talks about this non-stop voice in the head. You know, that internal chatter that critiques, worries, and basically never shuts up. He realized that this voice was driving his anxiety and making him miserable. It's like having a non-stop commentary on life, and not in a fun way. Enter meditation. After the on-air incident, Dan went on a quest for mental well-being. Through a series of events, he stumbled upon meditation. Yeah, that thing where you sit silently and, a lot. Except, he learned it's not about just, ing, but about taming that pesky voice in the head. He met with various spiritual teachers, monks, and even the Dalai Lama. He dove deep, trying to understand mindfulness and meditation. And while he stayed his skeptical self, he found a practical, non-religious way to approach these practices. What's mindfulness? At its core, mindfulness is about being present. It's noticing what's happening right now without getting carried away by that chatty voice. Imagine watching a movie without someone next to you giving a play-by-play commentary. That's what mindfulness feels like. The 10% Happier realization. Dan's journey had ups and downs, but he found that he became about 10% happier through regular meditation. That might not sound like much, but think about it. It's a realistic, tangible improvement. He didn't become an eternally blissful monk, but he found more calm, focus, and happiness in his hectic life. Hence the title, 10% Happier. The benefits. Meditation wasn't just a feel-good exercise for Dan. He found real benefits. He became more focused, less reactive, and, less anxious. It's like going to the gym, but for your brain. Over time, with consistent practice, you see changes. Skepticism as strength. One of the book's best parts is that Dan never loses his skepticism. He's wary of gurus who promise the world and questions everything. This makes the book super relatable, especially for folks who roll their eyes at anything woo-woo. The takeaway. Dan's main message? You don't need to go on a spiritual quest or renounce the world to find peace. Mindfulness and meditation are practical tools that anyone, even a busy TV journalist, can incorporate into their lives. And while it might not solve all your problems, it can make you at least 10% happier. In essence, 10% Happier is a skeptic's journey into the world of mindfulness. It's a funny, honest, and relatable tale of finding a bit more happiness amidst the chaos of modern life. Whether you're meditation curious or just looking for ways to stress less and smile more, this book's got some nuggets of wisdom for you. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, remember to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're hungry for more wisdom and want to support our channel and the remarkable authors we feature, subscribe and check out the links in the description. Your support not only helps us grow but also supports the authors who have dedicated their time to creating these life-changing works. Thanks for watching.